Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Maserati Motorhome is a combination of performance, luxury, and independence. External design. Body lines. To reduce wind resistance, Maserati's recognizable aggressive yet flowing lines will take center stage. Iconic grille. The Maserati Trident will be enlarged and made more noticeable on the front grille, possibly with a hint of black chrome. Wheels and tires. Standard equipment will include large, tastefully multi-spoke wheels. They will wear specialized tires made for comfort over long distances. Large windows that can be adjusted with intelligent privacy technology will offer panoramic views. Interior features include a multi-function steering wheel covered in leather and plush leather seats with contrast stitching. All of the car's entertainment and functions will be managed via a large dual touchscreen infotainment system. The lounge dining area features an adjustable ambient lighting system, a sliding or auto-folding dining table, and a plush L-shaped leather sofa. Kitchen features include a built-in coffee maker, a huge sink, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven, microwave, and an induction cooktop. The main bedroom will have a built-in closet, a king-size bed with an ergonomic mattress, and a flat-screen TV that can be hidden. Materials and finishes. The interior will be dominated by brushed metal elements, carbon fiber, open pore wood trim, and Poltrona Frau leather. Engine. The motorhome will probably be propelled by a very strong engine. Maybe a modified version of the Maserati sports car's twin-turbo V8 or V6 Nettuno engine that has been tweaked for more torque and improved efficiency in a larger vehicle, suspension, and handling in order to provide a pleasant ride and allow for height adjustability. An adaptive air suspension system will be standard. Braking system. Safe and efficient braking is ensured with a high-performance braking system with big discs and multi-piston calipers. Light off-road capability. The Maserati Motorhome may have intelligent all-wheel drive AWD, even though it isn't a genuine off-road vehicle.